Can I get a tax deduction for a conservation easement? Have you ever wondered if you can get a tax deduction for a conservation easement? This is a great question, especially for those looking to protect their land while also considering their tax situation. Let's break it down. A conservation easement is a legal agreement that limits how land can be used. It is often used to protect natural resources, open spaces, or historic structures. When you donate a conservation easement to a qualified organization, you may be eligible for federal income tax deductions and estate tax benefits. To qualify for a tax deduction, you must donate the easement to a qualified conservation organization or a government entity. The easement must be permanent, meaning it will bind all future owners of the property. The rights you give up must be for conservation purposes, such as protecting wildlife habitats or preserving open space. The amount of the deduction depends on how much the easement reduces the property's value. To determine this value, an appraisal is required. For most taxpayers, the deduction is limited to 50% of adjusted gross income. However, certain ranchers and farmers can qualify for a 100% limit. If you do not use the full deduction in 1 year, you can carry it forward for up to 15 years. From the perspective of estate planning, conservation easements can be a smart strategy to minimize estate taxes. By donating a conservation easement, you can lower the overall value of your estate, which may reduce the estate taxes owed. There is also a special estate tax exclusion of up to $500,000 for estates that donate a conservation easement, further decreasing potential estate tax liability. If you own property and want to preserve it for future generations while also reducing your tax burden, a conservation easement can be an effective option. You can retain ownership of the property while giving up certain development rights. This is often appealing for individuals who wish to pass land to heirs with reduced estate tax exposure. To get started, first ensure your property and the intended use of the easement meet Internal Revenue Service requirements. Next, work with a qualified organization and obtain a professional appraisal. Finally, donate the easement and claim the deduction on your tax return. This approach can help you achieve both conservation goals and tax savings, making it a practical choice for estate planning.